Is DJI leaving the U.S. consumer drone market? Well, when we come back, I'm going to put on my tinfoil hat here, and I'm going to tell you the whole story. Stay tuned. Anybody that rolls in the circle that I roll in on YouTube knows Marcus Crawford, Idaho Quadcopter. Well, a few weeks ago, he put together this little spreadsheet of availability of DJI consumer drone products. It was very, very well done. There's something going on here. I do not believe in coincidences. I never have. There's a reason for everything. Okay, it's not a coincidence that a story broke a few months ago that DJI was giving secrets to the Chinese military. And it's not a coincidence that less than a week after that story broke, that Parrot got that Defense Department contract. And then it's not a coincidence that a month after that, all these DJI consumer drone inventories started dwindling. That's not coincidence. Anybody that doesn't see that there's something serious going on here has got their head buried in the sand. There is something going on here. Now, I know that China is not the only country that has spies. Okay, we have spies too. Okay, and I'm sure that our spies in China are the ones that told our guys that DJI was funneling this information back to the Chinese military. I'm sure we have spies in the Chinese military, just like they have spies here. So what I really think is going on here, and let me take this stupid thing off. What I think is going on here is I think DJI got busted giving stuff to the Chinese military. And I think that either they have been told they weren't going to be allowed to sell their drone products here for maybe, I don't know what the penalty would be. If it's a year or 2 years or something like that. But I believe there's something like that going on. Because look, guys, I mean, these are the largest selling drones in the world. Okay, these DJI, the Spark, the Mavics, and all that crap. No, you can't even get them. They even took the things off the website, like they don't even exist anymore. Okay, that would be like you going to the Ford dealer and going, oh, I want to get one of those F-150s. Oh, we're out of those. What do you mean out? Oh, how about one of those Lincoln Mark 5s? Nope, we're done with those. We don't have any more. What are you talking about? That just does not happen in the real world. When you have the largest selling products in the world, you have inventory and you sell them. You don't just like, okay, I'm going to let all my inventory on all my products dry up. That just doesn't happen in reality, guys. Okay, so there's something going on here. I don't know what it is. I'm not sure. But like I said, all of those things I said about the DJI story with the military and then the Parrot contract and then all these inventories dwindling down, that's not a coincidence, man. That's a reason. And I believe that DJI is leaving the market, and that's why they got all these other products coming into the market now, all these cameras and gimbals and tanks and, you know, all this other stuff, because they've either been banned for X amount of time. Because, you know, the United States government has done this before. This is not new stuff. They banned Howie or whatever that company is for a couple of years from selling their products in the United States. So this is not like some kind of a new deal here. This has happened many times before. The companies got banned from selling their products in the United States. So I think that's what's going on. And I don't think DJI wants to say that. I just think they want to try to get through this, whatever this ban is. I'm sure it's top secret stuff within the company. So I don't think they're going to let it out of the bag. But for you not to be able to go buy the most sold products in the world of this type, oh, we're out of those, oh, we're out of those, oh, we're out of those, I'm not buying it. I'm just not buying it for 1 second. All right, guys, tell me what you think in the comments. Talk to you later. Okay.